nice boy. Yeah? He's a nice boy. We're not doing any shorts, okay. It's behind the scenes footage. You know, I don't like behind the scenes. I thought people would like to see what you are when you're not doing all this funny stuff for me, so people can enjoy watching it. And when you also get attacked by stuffed dogs. But this is behind the scenes. Yep, that's all you are. Just a fluffy little dog. Bud? Do you want me to stop this? Oh, you're such a nice dog, Bud. It's nice that people really get to know what you are. Oh well.